continue. Okay, for this example, this is mathematical expression where we are going to plot 3D surface plot, and this is the domain for the x and the domain for y. So first what we did is we type a code for this, the x data and then y data, and then next followed with mesh grid. Okay, we creating the grid for x and y. Okay, so this new grid we assign it as capital X and Y, and then after we having this grid, then what I call the next step is calculate the value of z for each point of the grid. We calculate the value of z, so for the each point of grid, so I'm putting it as capital Z. So we type this mathematical expression, but we are using x and y, capital X and y. Okay. Then after that, the next step is we create a plot. Alright, we create a plot. Okay. But here we are creating surface. Okay, surface plot. So we type the coding is surf. Okay, surf. And then the data is x, y, and z. The capital X and Y and Z, we will not using the small case because we're using the new grid. Okay, the data that we plot in the on the new grid. Then we're formatting the graph, the x label, y label, and z label. Right? Like this. So this is the graph how it looks. Okay. So this is surface plot we call, and then this is the axis x, y axis, and this is z, and z axis. Alright. So the surface plot is basically between the grid, 8 color. Alright. Okay. So now we try to do 3D mesh plot. Okay, of the same equation just now. So the formula is the same. First we define the x and y data. After that we creating a grid for this, a new grid for this data. So we assign it to the capital X and Y, the grid name. Then we plotting the x, y data on the Z, alright, capital Z. Okay, by using this mathematical expression. Then followed by the plotting. Okay, so we plot mesh. Okay, where this creating a mesh plot, x, y, and z. Then followed with the formatting of the graph, like the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So this is how the graph. So basically you are creating like jaring ikan lah, within the grid there is no color. Right? So you see. For that, program design algorithm we have done this during lecture class. Okay. Right. So let's try the response example. So we have done this. There is another example. Okay, this is plotting for surface mesh and surface plot. So we do have a slide time. How about this is mesh and surface plot. How about we try plot 3? This one. So if close my figure, so the 2 and new editor window. So this is my vector 0 to 6 and 5. Right? 6 and 5. Sorry, this is a 0. 0. Alright, 0, 6 and 5. up to